Hello and welcome to Nowhere. My name is Trish and I am the creator behind Nowhere Novelties. Sorry for the terrible echo in this room, but I wanted to bring you guys into my craft room because today's video is a little bit different. I'm sure you noticed that I missed last Thursday's upload, and that's because I was creating a brand new craft room. As a crafter, sometimes you just have half-made projects and supplies everywhere. It becomes a mess and you have to purge. Nowhere Novelties actually started out as a small resin craft and screen printed t-shirt company. I do neither of those things anymore. So a lot of those supplies were still in this room, and I knew that the space could be better utilized. This whole renovation actually sprung from me receiving my brand new Bama Cup turner that I purchased a few months ago that finally arrived, and I'm so excited to start using it. So the whole space was transformed just because of this turner. So let's see some before and after shots, and I'll be back on Thursday with another tumbler tutorial. Thanks, guys.
Here is the chaotic and messy before. Sorry that it's vertical instead of taking up the entire screen. My cart underneath my desk is atrocious. I have trash and chunks of resin everywhere. My Cricut is on the floor. I just don't have enough room for the supplies that I have coming in. There's so much on this desk and it's a mess. Scraps of vinyl, like I said. I have this organizer here for like pens and stuff. It's just dusty. Here's my closet organizer. I have a lot of stuff on this that I don't use anymore. A lot of from the resin crafts, not the tumblers, and my screen printing that I wanted to reorganize. And here's the after. It's so satisfying to see. I have my pegboard from Ikea, my new Bama Cups turner, some new glitters over there in the corner from Peachy Olive Glitters, my new tripod setup, which I'm pretty excited about. These adjustable lights are going to be great to spotlight the projects I do as I'm recording. My new Joy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to have a Joy. My cart with all of my glitters, a little better organized underneath my desk. I still have my little pen carousel organizer here on this shelf. My Cricut now has its own dedicated rolling cart with a pegboard organizer above it with a few essentials. And the closet is just much more organized. It has exactly what I need. All of my vinyl is in its place. I got all of this stuff that was taking up space out of there. Now I have room for my UV light, my acrylic paint, my mixing supplies, alcohol inks, vinyl, foils, markers, everything. Everything has its place. I hope this was a fun little look behind the scenes. We'll see you for more tutorial videos on Thursday.